to you. Hare Krishna, what are your friends? Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna to you. May Krishna bless you with devotion that's true. May you go back to God ahead and join Krishna's crew.